Hey dog lovers! Ever wonder what truly makes your furry friend's tail wag? We are diving into the top 15 things dogs absolutely adore. Get ready to understand your...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. Before we get started, if you enjoy discovering powerful AI tools that save hours of work and help you make money even while you sleep, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now. After subscribing, remember to fill out the quick form in the description and I'll send you a list of 800 top AI tools you can use for affiliate marketing or to grow a faceless YouTube channel. Watch until the end of this video, because I'll reveal a special discount code and a YouTube money-making tip that many people miss. Naval Ravikant once said, "Learn how to make money while you sleep, or you will work until you die." Today, this tool will help you make that happen. Today we're exploring Fliki AI, one of the most popular text-to-video and text-to-speech platforms of 2025. In this video, I'll share what Fliki AI is, its key features, a detailed step-by-step guide to create a real video, the pricing plans, pros and cons, and my honest review. At the end, you'll also get that discount code and an extra tip to earn money. Fliki AI is like having a full video production studio right inside your browser. It turns simple text into a complete video or natural voiceover in just a few minutes. No heavy software, no high-end computer, everything runs on the cloud. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, teacher, or just starting a faceless YouTube channel, this tool helps you create professional content at a very low cost. You don't even need a powerful computer. I'm recording my screen on a mid-range laptop and Fliki still runs smoothly. Want to try it for free? Click the link in the description to get starter credits, no credit card required. When you log in, the interface might look a bit busy at first, but it's actually very easy to use. Here are 5 powerful features you'll see on screen. Create videos, turn any idea, blog post, or Amazon product page into a complete video. Text to speech. Instantly convert your script into a natural AI voiceover. Thumbnail maker design. Eye-catching thumbnails to boost YouTube click-through rates. Templates with AI avatars. Hundreds of ready-made templates that you can customize with AI characters. Voice cloning record once, and Fliki saves your voice for future videos. These 5 features alone can replace an editor, a voice actor, and a designer, saving you a lot of time and money. Let's create a real project together so you can follow along easily. First, type in your idea. I'm typing 5 most important things to succeed in life. Next, choose the video length. It could be a 60-second YouTube short or a full 5-minute tutorial. If you already have images or slides filed, you can upload them. Choose the voice and style. I'm going with a friendly American voice. Select the format 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels, TikTok. Then pick the visual style cinematic, anime, or from the stock video library. Click Generate, and in just a few seconds, boom, a complete video with subtitles and voiceover appears. Let's preview the quality together.
First, define your vision. What do you genuinely want to achieve? Get crystal clear on your goals. Then, take consistent, deliberate action every single day. Small, focused steps build unstoppable momentum. Next, cultivate unwavering resilience. Setbacks are not failures, they are powerful lessons. Learn, adapt, and always bounce back stronger. Commit to continuous learning. The world evolves rapidly, so stay curious, acquire new skills, and evolve constantly. Finally, build a powerful network. Surround yourself with those who uplift, challenge, and support your journey.
Normally, you would need a scriptwriter, a voice actor, and an editor. Fliki cuts all of that down to just a few minutes. Editing is simple too. Each video is divided into scenes. You can click on any scene to edit the voiceover text, adjust on-screen captions, or replace visuals with stock or AI-generated images. Everything is drag and drop perfect if you've never used Premiere or Final Cut. Fliki's voiceovers sound incredibly natural. You can add a British accent, Spanish narration, or mix different voices for each scene to make the story more lively. This is a golden weapon if you want to translate videos into multiple languages and earn advertising revenue worldwide. Your video feels more complete with background music. You can choose from a huge music library, type a mood like cheerful for AI suggestions, or let Fliki automatically match music to your script's pacing. Don't want to appear on camera? Choose an AI avatar to present your content. I just added one. You'll see it lip sync with the script. This is perfect for teachers or anyone building a faceless YouTube channel. If you prefer to keep your own voice for branding, just record once and Fliki will clone it for every future video. Fliki's free plan is enough to get started, but if you want unlimited downloads and premium voices, you should upgrade. The good news is, use my exclusive discount code below to get 20% off a monthly or annual plan. Investing in the right tool is far cheaper than hiring an editor every week. Here are the pros and cons after my test. Pros: easy drag and drop interface. Large multilingual voice library, AI avatars and ready templates, and everything runs on the cloud. Cons: the free plan limits exports. Some AI visuals might need minor tweaking, and it requires an internet connection. Fliki AI is absolutely worth it in 2025. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, teach online, WASP, or expand a marketing business, this tool reduces production time from hours to just minutes and helps you reach a global audience. Ready to try it? Click the link below and start your free trial. Before we wrap up, here's a quick YouTube money-making tip. If your goal is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, combine Fliki's fast content creation with a consistent schedule like posting 3 shorts a day and you can reach the YouTube partner requirement much faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what kind of video you'll create first with Fliki AI. I read every comment and can't wait to hear your ideas. See you in the next video from Lucas AI Academy.